Hi guys, today we are going to see HP650 no display. When we switch on the power, fan is spinning, light also indicating after fan is stopping. We can see power supply 0.574 milliampere. Let's see after inspection. After inspection, we found the processor short. Let's see after replace. Now we are removing the old one and we are replacing the one. We fix cooling fan also. Let's see after power on. Fan is spinning. You can see the display. Now it is working fine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.